There is very little information about this locality online, but the name suggests a fusion of the Aboriginal and English languages. Mia is the Aboriginal word for home, so Miamoon could mean home of the moon. It's a remarkably romantic sounding name, no matter what the actual origin might be. From late July to September, it becomes a wildflower hotspot, with large numbers of orchids blooming around the rock. Some of the orchids that can be found here include pink candy, blue fairy, spider, leek, bee, snail, donkey and sun. Other flowers include large displays of everlastings, waitsia and dampiera. Miamoon is in the Shire of Dalwallanu and is located 17 kilometres west of the town of Woobin. There was once a school in the vicinity, but today it's just a nature reserve, with a rather flat rock outcrop being the central focus. There is a strip of concrete that seems to universally be referred to as the cricket pitch, but whether it actually was a cricket pitch, I can't tell you. It's possible for caravans and motorhomes to stop overnight, but there are no facilities, so you have to be self-sufficient. And please make sure that everything you take in, you take out with you.